Welcome back, everybody. We're just at the start of learning the C# programming language, and you already have a couple exercises to do. This is because I believe that this is the best way to learn. Sure, it's great to have some tutorials to follow initially, but the way that you'll really progress is by getting challenged to solve problems on your own. So in this video, we're going to test your understanding of numbers and strings in C# with some problems that you'll have to solve. So here are the problems. They get harder and harder as you go through them, but it's nothing that you can't handle. So the first 4 problems is just some code that you have to mentally evaluate and figure out what will get printed out. Do not cheat and just copy paste the code inside of a script and run it. The purpose is to check for your conceptual understanding of the topics that we covered so far and to train your problem solving skills. The last problem is something that we haven't learned so far, so you'll have to research on the web how to solve it. Researching is a crucial skill for any game developer, and in general for any programmer. Okay, so pause the video right now, do your best to solve these problems, and we will be back with the solutions. Alright, so let's tackle the first problem. This one is very simple. We're just using the modulo operator. So for a quick reminder, the modulo operator will divide 2 numbers together and return the remainder of that operation. So 100 divided by 3 is equal to 33, because 3 goes in 100 33 times. 3 times 33 is equal to 99, and so when we subtract 100 with 99, we get the remainder of 1. So the result of this first problem was 1. Next, let's figure out the second problem. So first of all, we can see that we have a pair of parentheses, so whatever is inside of those will get called first. In our case, we are adding the string orange with the string pink. Remember that adding strings together is called concatenation. So that will return the string orange pink with no spaces in between the 2 words. Then with the square brackets, we can select a specific character from the string. In our case, that will be the character with the index of 7. So let's count our characters starting at 0 because indexing starts at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That would be the I. So the answer to this problem was the string I. For the third problem, we are retrieving a substring from the black and white string. The substring is going to start at index of 6 and have a size of 3 characters. So let's see what the 6th index is. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a space, and 6 is the A. So our substring will start at the A and have a size of 3. So that will bring us all the way to the D. So the result of this problem was the string AND. Now let's work on the 4th problem. So we have got the programming string and we are simply using the square brackets to retrieve a specific character from that string. So the only thing that we have to do is calculate the number that is inside of the brackets. Okay, so we can see that we have got a pair of parentheses. So let's start right there. First, we are using the length of the hello string. So the number of characters in hello is 5. And then the length of hi is 2. So we're using the modulo operator between 5 and 2. Okay, 2 goes in 5 twice and the remainder is 1 because 2 times 2 is equal to 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Finally, we are simply adding 7, so 1 plus 7 makes 8. So the result of the square bracket number is 8. We now just need to find out what is a character with the 8th index in our string. So if you count the characters from 0 to 8, the result will be the string I. Finally, what you have to do to make the string big, all caps, is to add the .to upper followed with a pair of parentheses. Whether you found the answer on a blog, on a forum, with a YouTube video or anything else, the fact that you were able to research on your own and solve a problem that you didn't know how to solve is awesome. Anyways, congrats on finishing the exercise. You're making great progress. In the next video, we're going to learn about maybe one of the most important topics, which are variables. I'll see you over there.